Hi, it's Todd from Todd Cutler here, and we have got the Dennington sword. Now, it's called that because it came from the Church of Dennington, St Mary's in Dennington, in Norfolk, belonged to William Bardolph. So this was taken from his effigy in the church there, fantastic effigy. Now, he was Chamberlain to Henry IV. It's early 15th, early to mid 15th, and it is an absolute babe. So we've got an 86 centimetre, 34-inch blade on it. Type 80. Got this lovely octagonal guard here, cord-wrapped leather grip, and of course the fishtail pommel at the top here. Now it's not the really gothic fishtails that appeared sort of from the mid to the late 15th century. It's more subtle, it's easier to hold, it's easier on the hand. So you can extend your grip right down onto the pommel without any hot spots on it. The actual piece itself balances really nicely. There we go. So you can see it is a fantastic sword. Not only that, of course, like all of our swords, it comes with a scabbard and belt. This case, it is a glorious green, but you know, reds, browns, blacks are also available if you're duller. But the green is just awesome. I love it. Anyway, so there you have it. The Dennington sword, early to mid 15th century, and it's a beauty.